This video was released on Patreon earlier. If you'd like to watch my videos before they're out on YouTube, check the link in the description. Hello everyone, welcome back to my top-down shooter tutorial. Today I will show you one way to apply initial attributes. I prefer this method because it's short, clean and easy to manage. Let's start. Open pp character base and select the body of begin play event. Collapse it into a function called init_text. Next add a variable called initial_attributes_effect of type gameplay_effect class. Move this variable into character base category. Now back in begin play, check if initial_attributes_effect is valid. If it is, get the ability system component and call apply gameplay effect to self, and apply the initial attribute effect. Finally collapse the block into a function called init_attributes. Now let's create two effects which we will apply to characters. Open the gas folder and add a folder called initial_attributes. Inside that folder, create a blueprint inherited from gameplay effect. Name it GE player initial attributes. Open it and add a modifier for max health, with the operation set to override. I've chosen 250 as the value. And for health do the same. Next add the initial effect for the zombie. You can just copy the player's effect, rename it to GE zombie initial attributes, and change the values to 60. Now it's time to apply effects and test. Open BP player and set initial attributes effect to GE player initial attributes. Next open BP zombie and set initial attributes effect to GE zombie initial attributes. Then open the level and test. As you see, initial effects are applied correctly. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!